Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simplifying algebraic expressions. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. You will have an opportunity to subscribe to my channel at the end of the video. You are also invited to share this video with your friends. Thank you in anticipation. Simplifying algebraic expressions. The normal method used in simplifying algebraic expressions is to collect like terms after the expressions have undergone the required calculations. Example 1. Simplify fully the expression 4 outside of all those terms minus 2 outside of all those terms. Now when you remove the grouping symbols, you will have all those terms here, and what we do now, we have to collect like terms to arrive at the answer. So 12x squared minus 10x squared is 2x squared. Minus 16x plus 6x is minus 10x, and minus 24 plus 14 is minus 10. So that's the answer. Simplify fully by removing the parentheses. All we do here, we take that 3x there and multiply it by all those terms, and here they are here. Then we take that 5 and multiply it by the same terms, and they are here. We expand and remove the parentheses, and we arrive at this line here. Then we add the like terms to arrive at the answer. So you'll see the 6x cubed is by itself. 9x squared plus 10x squared is 19x squared. 18x plus 15x is 33x. And the 30 is by itself. And that's the answer. Simplify fully by removing the parentheses. This is a little bit tricky because we have 3 sets of parentheses. So all we do, we just leave the m plus 2 by itself for the time being, and we simplify those two here. So we have the m, which is there, outside of the m plus 4, that's here. Then the 3, which is there, outside of the m plus 4, which is there. So we go to the next slide. I've just repeated the last line here for ease of reference. The m plus 2 stays where it is for the time being. We expand all those terms here to arrive at those terms there. The m plus 2 again stays there. When we simplify these terms here, 4m plus 3m is 7m. So it gives you those 3 terms. Now we have the m outside of all those terms. So there's the m outside of all those terms. The 2 outside of all those terms. So there's the 2 outside of all those terms. We expand all the way through and remove the grouping symbols, and we arrive at this line here. Now we add the like terms to arrive at the answer. There's the m cubed. 7m squared plus 2m squared is 9m squared. 12m plus 14m is 26m. And there's the 24. Simplify the product of those two expressions. That's this one and this one. So you take the y squared, multiply it by all the terms in the second set of parentheses. Take the 3y and do the same. That's the minus 3y there. See, of course you have minus 3y here, so minus 3y, you do the same. And there's the plus 4 here. you put the plus 4. See, all these terms here are in the second set of parentheses, just there. Here you have y squared minus 3y plus 4. See? Y squared minus 3y plus 4. You multiply all these out, and that gives you all these terms here. Now let's add these together or subtract them from one another to simplify them. There's your y to the 4th. Now we have 2y cubed minus 3y cubed is minus y cubed. Minus 5y squared minus 6y squared is minus 11y squared. Plus 4y squared, that gives you minus 7y squared in the answer. 15y plus 8y is 23y, and there's your minus 20 there. So there is your answer. Subtract those three terms from those three terms. In other words, the 5m plus 6y plus 7 goes first, and we subtract the first three terms. So, removing the grouping symbols, we write the first three terms down. That gives us minus 3m minus 2y plus 5, because minus times minus is plus. Simplifying from there to there, we get 5m minus 3m is 2m, 6y minus 2y is 4y, and 7 plus 5 is 12. And there is your answer. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. Answer to the puzzle, what is the meaning of the following? Caught red-handed. I think you can work that out quite easily. Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is at your disposal. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide. You will receive a notification when the next video is available. Please share with your friends. Hope to see you next lesson.